Here's how to use Google Lens on your iPhone. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you want to use Google Lens to take a photo of something and recognize exactly what it is, what product it is, or search for the model or serial number of anything like that, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we'll do is head into the App Store on your iPhone. Let's hit search, and you can use a number of different apps here. You can type in Google. And on here, you can use the Google app, or you can also use Google Chrome. So I have both installed, but in this instance, I'm just going to download and install the Google app and use that. So open up the Google app here. And now you'll see right in the homepage, Google Lens is built in. You can see right above that little music symbol is the lens symbol. So I can tap on that. And you can see it pops up with the ability to take a photo. So here I can take a photo of my dog, take a photo, and basically it'll search for dogs that look similar to that. I can also do that for my remote or anything like that. But if I scroll down, you'll be able to see that dog looks eerily similar to my dog, Penny. So you can see here, if I go in here, that dog looks very similar. I can also go here, that dog also looks very similar. And essentially, you're using the Google Lens to look up photos online that look similar. Now, another thing that you might want to do with the Google Lens is to take a photo of, say, an electronic or something like that. And you want to find that exact same remote. You can see if I swipe up, it finds that exact same remote, the Sony wireless remote here, and immediately I can pop in there and buy that if I wanted it. So if you're out and about, or if you're at a friend's house or anything like that, and you want to find that exact same product, clothing, jacket, shoes, electronics, you can take a quick photo of it and then be able to immediately recognize and identify it, and then you can find it on Google. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.